When I attend any party, I'm always worried that I will be asked to perform some magic tricks. And most of the time, honestly, I'm not prepared. I don't even carry a deck of cards with me. So I have to think of something that I can do anytime I'm asked to perform on the spot. Like, no, maybe I'm given a deck of cards. This deck is not mine. I will not have any time to set up in front of an audience. So what I will do is maybe divide the deck among different members of the audience. Okay, imagine there are people here. Okay, can you please shuffle this for me? Shuffle this for me, please. Shuffle this for me, please. Can you shuffle this? So it looks so fair that the deck was thoroughly shuffled by the audience. And then you collect. Okay, thank you. Then you invite one of the guests to join you in front. Maybe there's a stage or a table. And then you ask the volunteer, move a bit. Nash, look at me, Nash. This deck was shuffled by the audience. This is in random order. I don't have any idea how it's arranged. Can you give me a number from 1 to, maybe 1 to 20? Just choose a number.
15.
15. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, can we change places? You stay here. Okay. Look at your hand. What's that? Okay, you said 15. Okay? I already put 12 here. So can you put 3 cards here one by one, slowly, carefully? That's number 13. 13. Okay. Number 14. And then that's number 15. Okay? Look at it. Don't show it to me. Get it and look at it. Don't show it to me. Okay, concentrate on the card. Alright? Oh, picture the card in your head. In your mind. Just picture it. Okay? I'm trying to read your mind. I think, don't show it to me. I think, is it red?
Yeah, sure.
It's red. It's a heart? I can see a lot of hearts. It's 7 of hearts.
Yay!
I'm going to show you the secret. So you're given a borrowed deck of cards and you don't have time to set up. So what you will do is to divide the deck among different members of the audience. Can you please shuffle this for me? Okay. Sir? Okay. So you ask for people to shuffle the deck for you. So it will look fair. People will know that the cards are in random order and you don't have control over it. But what you actually do is, when you collect the first one, okay, you will casually look at the cards and say a remark like, oh, it looks so well shuffled. Good job, sir. What you're actually doing is you're trying to remember the third card from the bottom. This is the 7 of hearts. Okay. Don't worry, nobody's paying attention to you at this time because they're all busy looking at the people shuffling the cards. And when you get the next packet, the next packet, put it like that on top, like a sandwich. Okay. And then the other packets on top, other packets on top. So what you will have is a setup that looks like this. All cards facing down, and at the bottom, some cards facing the other way. And you know that the 7 of hearts is there, third from the bottom, facing upwards. Okay? So that is your setup. And then you ask someone to join you front. So you ask your volunteer to give you any random number. Okay, and then the volunteer says 15. Okay, 15? Alright. Start counting one by one. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12. You stop at 12 because you know that you need 3 to get to your card. And at this point you say, can we change places? When you say that, you're actually flipping the deck over so that the cards underneath will now be on top. And it's not going to be noticeable. No one will pay attention to what you're doing because you're looking at the volunteer. So can you exchange places? Stay here, right? Exchange places. And now you tell the volunteer, can you put a card, the next 3 cards here, carefully, slowly, one by one. So they put, that's card number 13, card number 14, no, that's card number 15, okay? Look at it, don't show it to me. Keep it close to your chest, just look at it, don't show it to me. Focus on the card. Okay, I'm reading, is it a red card? Yes, it's a red card. I see hearts. A lot of hearts. So is it the 7 of hearts? Yes, it is. It can be an impressive thing to do when asked to perform in a party on the spot with a borrowed deck. It can build your reputation. But they will ask for more.